In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a redirect worker in Cloudflare. A redirect worker is a tiny piece of code that runs on Cloudflare's global edge network and instantly sends visitors from one URL to another. It's perfect for moving pages, consolidating domains, or cleaning up outdated links, all while keeping things fast and reliable. Start by signing in to your Cloudflare dashboard at cloudflare.com. Once you're in, look for Workers and Pages in the left-hand menu, then choose Workers. This is where all your serverless scripts live. Click Create a Worker. If you see an option called Add an Application instead, select that and then choose Worker. Cloudflare will spin up a starter project and open the online editor for you. Inside the editor, you'll write your redirect logic. At a high level, your worker listens for incoming requests, checks the URL, and returns a redirect response. A very common pattern is to capture the original request, build the destination URL, and send the visitor there with a status code. Use 301 for a permanent redirect, which tells browsers and search engines the change is final, or 302 for a temporary move when you expect to revert later. For example, if you're redirecting everything from an old domain to a new one, you can read the request URL, change the host name to the new domain, keep the path and query string the same, and respond with a redirect. If you're only moving a single page, you can compare the path and redirect just that route. Be careful to avoid redirect loops by ensuring your destination doesn't point back to the source. When your script looks good, click Save and Deploy. Cloudflare will package your worker and distribute it across its edge network worldwide, so visitors are redirected as close to them as possible. After deployment, you'll get a worker.dev URL you can use to confirm the redirect behavior in a browser. If you notice the redirect should be permanent instead of temporary, simply change the status code in your script, save, and deploy again. Updates propagate quickly. A few practical tips as you refine your worker. Keep a small map of old to new paths if you have multiple specific redirects. Prefer 301 status codes for changes you know are final. And test a handful of sample URLs to make sure query strings and trailing slashes carry over correctly. And remember, you can always return to the editor to tweak your logic and redeploy whenever your redirect rules evolve,